Smartphone Insider here, and today I have for you a big box good. This is the Samsung SmartThings Hub by, you guessed it, Samsung, for use with Z-Wave and Zigbee accessories sold at your local big box retailer or online, for integration with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant to control and monitor your smart home while away. Stay tuned. So we want a smart home, but we want a no-frills setup experience with some troubleshooting tips along the way. Today, we're going to show you how to set up your Samsung SmartThings Hub, and afterwards, do a quick review of some of the accessories we use that go with it. But first thing is first, we need a smart hub. Amazon Alexa works great as a standalone hub, however, she does not support Zigbee or Z-Wave products and typically only supports Wi-Fi enabled products, much like the LB100 smart Wi-Fi light bulb we reviewed earlier this week. Our Samsung SmartThings Hub, on the other hand, supports Z-Wave and Zigbee accessories such as light bulbs, power outlets, and sensors, and integrates them directly with Amazon Alexa for the ultimate smart home experience. Our SmartThings Hub will allow you to integrate motion sensors for doors and windows, light bulbs, power outlets, and more. Devices we could not integrate with Alexa before we had the hub. So now that all the technical stuff is out of the way, let's get into the unboxing. There are two sides to this one. On the left-hand side are some pamphlets, 3 in total, which explain how to use the different accessories with our SmartThings Hub, power outlet, motion sensor, and multi-purpose sensor, a quick start guide, a welcome code which we'll need to keep to activate our device, and last but not least, our SmartThings Hub. We'll get into the accessories and how they work later. For now, let's move on. On the left-hand side of the box, aptly labeled Things, is screws and panels and cables. Setting up our Samsung SmartThings Hub is easy. Before we begin, you'll want to download the SmartThings app, which is free. Just be sure to be running the latest version of iOS or Android. The Samsung SmartThings app lets you control all of your accessories connected to your home from your phone. Next, plug the SmartThings Hub into the wall, making sure that it's near your Wi-Fi modem because this is how we're going to connect our SmartThings Hub to the internet. Depending on how your house is wired for the internet, we found our SmartThings Hub would not connect to the internet when plugged into Ethernet in the wall. So instead, we plugged ours into the back of our modem. This may be different for you. At any rate, a green light should illuminate. That way you know your Samsung SmartThings Hub is connected to the internet. No two homes are alike. Take ours, for example, where we had to connect our Samsung SmartThings Hub into the back of our modem in order to connect it to the internet. Nonetheless, once this is done, you're going to want to add some smart accessories or things to make your home unique. Here is a brief description of some of the accessories you can use. Multi-purpose sensor, the most versatile device in the Samsung SmartThings family. The multi-purpose sensor acts as an open, closed, vibration, orientation, and temperature sensor all in one. Outlet. The outlet lets you control, automate, and monitor lamps, electronics, and small appliances from anywhere. Trigger lamps to automatically turn on when you come home, save energy by restricting power to appliances, and turn any 3-prong plug into a smart, controllable device. And last but not least, motion sensor. The motion sensor lets you know when movement is detected in a certain area and can trigger different actions in response to that movement, or lack of movement. Connecting them to Alexa is also easy. As soon as your things are connected to your Samsung SmartThings Hub, Alexa should recognize them. Here are some things we have connected to our Samsung SmartThings Hub we control using Alexa. Our Go Control Home Security Suite, which we set up and installed in a recent video, the TP-Link LB100 smart Wi-Fi light bulb and our handcrafted Tiffany style lamp, and last but definitely not least, some really awesome accent lighting we power using the TP-Link LB100. So we took you through the unboxing, the initial installation and setup, and we showed you some awesome accessories to go with it. My name is John. The Samsung SmartThings Hub is a big box good. You're watching Smartphone Insider.